Hi everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte, we're going to learn the vocabulary of technology in Slovak language. You can find the link in the description to download the document with this lesson and practices. Let's start! Začíname! We will start with some general vocabulary about technology, technológie, and computers, počítač. First of all, antivirus, antivirus, blog, browser, prehliadač, cable, kábel, computer, počítač, desktop, stolný počítač, domain, doména, file, súbor, window, okno, font, písmo, hacker, hardware, software, homepage, domovská stránka, application, aplikácia, icon, ikonka, interface, rozhranie, graphics, grafika, laptop, notebook, link, odkaz, OS, operačný systém, name, meno, password, heslo, shortcut, skratka, social media, sociálne siete, website, webová stránka, smartphone, doručená pošta, inbox. The parts of the computer are mouse, myš, keyboard, klávesnica, monitor, webcam, webkamera, printer, tlačiareň, scanner, headphones, slúchadlá, speakers, reproduktory. Also, check out the following very useful verbs. To back up, zálohovať, to browse, prehliadať, to download, stiahnuť, to install, inštalovať, to uninstall, odinštalovať, to log in, prihlásiť sa, to log out, odhlásiť sa, to restart, reštartovať, to surf the web, surfovať na webe, to turn off, vypnúť, to turn on, zapnúť, to upgrade, aktualizovať, to upload, nahrať, to share, zdieľať, to connect, spojiť, to repair, opraviť. We hope you found this lesson useful. Let us know in the comments what other words you would like to know. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ciao!